Hello guys, today, I will be teaching you how to use prompts and activation types. This will be a short tutorial, but I hope you learn something until the end. Also, make sure to watch my last tutorial, it was about elevators, go check that out if you haven't, it will be linked in the description. So, there is actually a new update on Obby Creator. It was pretty much released on late August or maybe early September, but I don't remember. This update contains the prompt which I will show you in this video, and the button's activation types, so stay tuned for that later. Anyways, let's start the tutorial. You know jump pads, right? The trampoline type of advanced parts. You can bounce, jump or whatever you want to do here, alright. But, can we jump if we pressed a key from our keyboard? Go to the effects of the pad by going to properties and find effects. We can have a lot of effects here, but what we want is the prompt. Click add, but I will explain first what these are. Prompts are basically making advanced parts get activatable by inserting a specific key code. If you do not know what a key code is, it is short for keyboard code. This doesn't mean that you cannot activate it with your touch. And I forgot to make the floor, I'm sorry. So now, if we go out edit mode, we can see the familiar thing or GUI we see on Roblox. This is called a prompt. And as you can see, if we press the key code that it contains, then it will activate the advanced part. This also works on lavas, remember, prompts only work on advanced parts and not basic parts, so I added a new prompt. And if I click the key code, I die. But, we can change the property of a prompt. We can go and rename the action text to kill. We can change the key code to something like K for kill. You can also change the hold duration of the prompt. This is the amount of time to hold the prompt before it activates. I'm still curious of what the object text does. I'ma just type random letters. Oh, it's the text above the action text. I will just type something real quick. I definitely want to get killed now, click K to kill. But of course you can die too by colliding with it, I guess. So, you can do it with advanced parts, but probably not all advanced parts because there are some that are impossible. So, that's all with the prompts. I will have a large floor for the activation types, because I will make 2 sets. Let's add a part, or maybe not a part, add a ball. Clone the ball again and again, because we will make 9 balls each set. I'll skip this part. I finished making the 2 sets, and I also placed 2 buttons for the 2 sets. We will demonstrate both activation types for one set, the all and random activation types. Starting with all. Edit the set 1 button, then, go to behavior, you will see the 2 activation types here. So, what we want to go first is all. What is an all activation type? All activation types are used if we want the selected parts to be activated by the button all at once. If the selected part is only one, then nothing's gonna change. It will still activate the part. Let's change the time to 0 first. Change button type to parts invisible, let's make the balls disappear. Do not change the activation type because it is already an all activation type. Click edit, then, select the 9 balls. Click confirm after. If we test this, all the balls will disappear at the same time. Cool. Let's move on to random activation type now. Random activation types are used if we want to randomly activate a selected part of the button. It's pretty clear by the name random that it activates random selected objects. Do the same thing earlier, and click edit, select the 9 balls, then confirm after that. Let me show you what happened if you did that. Let's test it now. As you can see, only a random ball disappears once I press the button, press it again and again, then more balls disappear. So I hope you learned something today in this tutorial. And please, like and subscribe if you did enjoy and if you want to watch more videos. Next tutorial will be all about making block spawners. Stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys in the next video.